Good morning, students. Today we will study lesson number 7, apologizing for mistakes. मतलब ठीक है, गलती के लिए माफ़ी मांगना. ठीक है, देखो, getting start. Have you ever done or said something that you regret? What did you do to make up for it, or how did you apologize it? वर्क इन पेयर एंड शेयर द एक्सपीरियंस विथ योर पार्टनर. ठीक है, क्या बोल रहे हैं कि आपने कभी कोई मिस्टेक की जिसके लिए आपको माफ़ी मांगनी पड़ी है और आपने कैसे माफ़ी मांगी है. ठीक है, then listen and learning. Listen to two dialogues and answer the questions. ठीक है, यहाँ पे आपको 2 डायलॉग्स को सुनना है और क्वेश्चन आंसर्स को करना है.
Listen to 2 dialogues and answer the questions.
Me?
How may I help you, sir?
I have a complaint about the food served to me. It's cold and tasteless. The last time I ordered the same dish, it tasted delicious.
I'm sorry, sir. I'll replace your order and look into the matter immediately. I assure you it won't happen again.
Thank you.
I'm afraid there's a problem with the service in the hotel.
How may I help you, ma'am?
I requested for a clean towel, but it has been over an hour and I haven't got the towel yet.
I'm sorry for the inconvenience, ma'am. We'll send you a towel immediately.
ठीक है, देखो, ये एक बार फ्रूट वाला कंप्लेन कर रहा है टेस्ट के रिगार्डिंग, और एक कस्टमर होटल में गई है तो वो अपने टॉवेल, मतलब वहाँ पे जो टॉवेल मिलता है उसके लिए कंप्लेन करी. ठीक है, तो वो कैसे प्रॉब्लम सॉल्व हो रही है वो आपको सुनना और आंसर्स करना है. ठीक है, नाउ लिसन टू अ स्टोरी एंड से वेदर द स्टेटमेंट्स बिलो आर ट्रू और फॉल्स. ठीक है, मैं आपको एक क्लिपिंग सुना रही हूँ, आप उसको सुनेंगे और बताएंगे जो स्टेटमेंट है वो ट्रू है कि फॉल्स.
Listen to a story and say whether the statements below are true or false. Tom was in a bad mood. His younger sister had been annoying him.
ठीक है, देखो क्या बोल रहा है, जो टॉम है वो बहुत ही बैड मूड में, मतलब उसका मूड अच्छा नहीं है. क्यों अच्छा नहीं? क्योंकि जो उसकी लिटिल सिस्टर है वो उसे चिड़चिड़ा रही है.
Fit of rage, Tom threw her doll out of the window. Seeing Tom's bad behavior, his father got angry and asked him to go and bring the doll back.
ठीक है, तो टॉम गुस्से में आके जो उसकी सिस्टर की गुड़िया थी उसको फेंक देता है. उसके फादर उसको बहुत चिल्लाते हैं और बोलते हैं जाके गुड़िया को वापस, डॉल को वापस लेके आओ.
Tom went out of the room, slamming the door angrily. He didn't want to go out as it was cold and raining. He didn't want to get wet.
ठीक है, तो फिर वो बाहर जाता है और उसे बिल्कुल बाहर जाने का मन नहीं रहता. क्यों? क्योंकि बाहर बहुत ठंड होती है और बारिश होती रहती है. वो भीगना नहीं चाहता है.
Minute later, the door opened. It was his sister. She said, "I'm really sorry, Tom. I didn't intend to annoy you. Please come in." Tom felt better at hearing her apologize. His sister continued, "I'll lend you my toy turtle for the entire day. I know you like it a lot." Tom ran into the garden immediately. His sister's doll was lying under the mango tree. He picked it up and ran back in. As soon as he handed the doll to his sister, she gave it a warm hug. She then picked up her toy turtle and held it out. Taking the toy turtle from his sister, Tom said, "I'm really sorry. Is your doll okay?" "She doesn't mind getting a shower," his sister replied. His sister's words made Tom feel much better. Then they played together with the doll and the toy turtle.
ठीक है, अब आप इनके क्वेश्चन आंसर्स करेंगे. नाउ रीड द पोएम एंड आंसर द आंसर्स दैट फॉलो. ठीक है, ये वही जैसे आप इंग्लिश में पैसेज पढ़ते हैं ना और आंसर करते हैं, वैसे ही आपको ये पैराग्राफ पढ़ना है, पोएम. और नाउ लिसन एंड अंडरलाइन व्हाट यू हियर, द कॉन्ट्रैक्शन और द फुल फॉर्म. ठीक है, आपको सुनना है कॉन्ट्रैक्शन मतलब शॉर्ट फॉर्म या फुल फॉर्म, उसको अंडरलाइन करना है.
Listen and underline what you hear. The contraction or the full form. I think you haven't completed your work yet. I have.
क्या बोल रहे हैं? आई थिंक यू हैव नॉट नहीं बोल रही है, हैवेंट है ना, तो आप अंडरलाइन करेंगे हैवेंट को, HAVEN''T. फिर आई हैव तो फुल फॉर्म बोल रहे हैं, तो आई हैव को अंडरलाइन करेंगे. ठीक है,
Where's the food? It's on the table.
देखो, where is the food?
Today,
It's
the
on
weather's
table.
pleasant.
It's IT apostrophe S. It's.
Certainly, it is.
Then next it is. ऐसे ही आप लोग पूरा सुनेंगे और अंडरलाइन करेंगे.
Going to the park after having lunch. I'll come too. Let's jog for 10 minutes? Yes, that's a great idea.
ठीक है. Now listen and repeat the sentence, paying special attention to the contractions.
Read the sentences, paying special attention to the contractions.
It's my friend's birthday today. Sarah's been playing badminton for an hour. He sent a message to his father. Susan's giving the paint box to Tina. Raman's buying a handbag for his mother. I've already informed my parents about the competition. She's done an excellent job. We'll have to seek our parents' permission. Let's play a tennis match this evening. I'm going to visit my grandparents tomorrow.
ठीक है. Now listen to some, apologize and say in what situation they were probably made. One is done for you.
Listen to some apologies and say in what situations they were probably made. One is done for you.
I'm so sorry, Nana. I was stuck in a traffic jam for over an hour. That is why I'm so late.
Mom, I apologize for having lied about Rohan's grades. His grades are better than mine.
12301. Rajdhani Express from Howrah Junction to New Delhi is running late by 2 hours due to dense fog. We apologize for the inconvenience.
I'm very sorry for accidentally telling your friend about your planned surprise visit to him. I'm sorry to have disappointed you, Dad, but next time my performance will be much better.
ठीक है. Listen to some statement and give appropriate reasons to them.
Listen to some statements and give appropriate responses to them.
I've been trying your number since morning. Why didn't you pick up my call?
I have been calling out your name repeatedly. Have you been dozing in the middle of the class?
You woke me up with all that noise you were making.
Look, the spoon is so dirty.
There's an ant in my food.
You broke my pen. How will I write now?
ठीक है. यहाँ पे हमारा चैप्टर कंप्लीट होता है.